Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch, Saturday, April 19, 2025. This is a heat report for the Arabian Sea. Very large spread just popped up right here, right along the fracture zone. Let's go take a look. You know the procedure. Quite a few detection points. Throughout the area. It actually spans about 184 kilometers. So quite a bit. Let's go to Google Earth. You know the procedure. Here's our fracture zone. So when we're talking about the pole shift, the outer core expansion, the one place we don't want to start seeing heat is in our oceanic fracture zones. See this rift here. Very concerning. It's actually right at the end of this fracture zone. Now, there's one thing they do say on the data. The detection confidence, L for low, they're all low detection confidence, but based on what I have been showing you globally, and because it's at the end of this fracture zone, I would not place a low confidence on it, me personally. The only other thing I'm going to show you right now, end of the Maldives. So this atoll here, this is actually the top of a volcano. So every morning I do my checks. I do lots of checks. When I first checked this wasn't here. I came back a few minutes later and then it just popped up. check one more thing before I leave. Nothing today. This is a Heard Island volcano. Sometimes it lights up. The poor little penguins that have been tariffed. Suffering, I'm sure. Okay, folks. We'll keep an eye on this throughout the day. Actually, I got another 90 seconds. I'm going to let this run for a little bit. Southern Italy, we do have an increase in heat. I understand Etna's back in the news again. So Etna, beyond the crater. As well as Stromboli. And very quickly, so our coronal mass ejection, our solar storm, started here. There's actually been some 4.9 earthquakes here in the mid-Atlantic ridge. Carried on this way. The focal point was right here. So we had a series of earthquakes, more than the usual here in the volcanic arc, right here. Martinique. We had this tsunami buoy go into motion twice, uplift of the ocean floor. Large heat spread in the Bahamas here. And then all of Puerto Rico losing its power. Okay, that's all.